So, any doubt in previous classes?
No.
No.
Okay. Ashri project.
Yes, I have already completed.
Is it working as per expectation or you are facing any challenge?
No, I have done. Maybe, I will show you tomorrow. Is that fine?
Okay. Okay, so let's start. So today we will see CloudWatch and some part of auto scaling, that is the auto scaling policy related part. And okay, so what is CloudWatch? Have you seen CloudWatch? It's like, have you gone through before coming to the class or not?
Sorry, I didn't.
Okay, so what do you understand? Still, if you want to guess or just
I
put
think
a
it's a
one
kind
liner.
of monitoring tool which will monitor our instances. I don't know really, but I'm just assuming.
So, what do you understand or think when it comes to monitoring tool? What do you understand with that? Means like what exactly does they do? Any idea?
Uh,
Uh,
like load kind of thing. If instance is having some extra load or storage kind
uh,
of thing, traffic kind of thing.
Yeah, and Ashruti, what you are saying?
I'm saying CloudWatch monitors applications, infrastructures. Actually, I have gone through yesterday and I googled it, and from there I know it is network and
Yes,
services monitors.
yes. So exact part, yes, Ashruti is correct, and somehow, as per understanding part, Jasmeet, you are also correct. So, in a simple way, CloudWatch is just a monitoring tool or monitoring service to help monitor of AWS infrastructure. It's like anything in AWS we can monitor with the help of CloudWatch. Under monitoring, what components will come or what things will come. So under monitoring, we have four components actually under CloudWatch. One is CloudWatch metrics, CloudWatch logs, CloudWatch events, and there might be other one also, alarms, CloudWatch alarms. So these are the four things which help us to monitor any of the infrastructure, and we will see all of them one by one, what they do and what does it means. So yes, observe and monitor resources and application on AWS, on premises, and on other cloud also. Now, what is the meaning of this on premises and other cloud? As this is the AWS service, right? Application on AWS, till the AWS we understood that whatever is present in AWS, it monitors. It means what I'm trying to explain. See, right now, which service we have covered, that is EC2. So see, under EC2 also, if we will go to EC2 screen, see, if I'll go to any of the instance right now, okay, we don't have any instance running, but once we will have one instance, it will show the monitoring tab also. I'll show you when we will create any of the instance. So we can get this CloudWatch in every screen. Every service will have a CloudWatch tab available with them. So yes, now, so now what I'm trying to explain here is, see, we have this infrastructure, okay, in which we have, for example, one virtual machine, one database, one storage, many more things we have. So we are monitoring it. Monitoring means we have configured CloudWatch to send the log or send the metrics to all the services. They will send their logs and metrics to CloudWatch, and CloudWatch will help us to analyze them with the help of dashboard. Now what is the dashboard? Dashboard is nothing but the graphical representation of your logs or metrics. Every service will send their metrics that my CPU utilization is this much, network byte is this much, and suppose disk size is low. So they send everything to CloudWatch, and CloudWatch collect that with their database, and with the help of CloudWatch dashboard we can create our customized dashboard where we can create this kind of graphs, small graphs, that this high low like that. And with this we will help, with this we can analyze our infrastructure. One point, this is about the AWS thing. It's very easy. We just need to go and somehow somewhere we need to click on checkbox, or somewhere we need to click on that big configuration. So any of the service is having a CloudWatch part, so we simply go and just enable that, and all the service will start sending their metrics to CloudWatch. But what about your infrastructure is in on premises? On premises means like in your physical hardware present in your company, that is not on cloud's infrastructure. You are not accessing them with the help of cloud. What about that your infrastructure is present in any other cloud like Azure or GCP, right? So, but you want your metrics or the analysis should be done via CloudWatch. So how we can do that? See, here we are not installing any software or we are not configuring anything. We are just simply selecting the existing options to configure a CloudWatch. But if we want to take the metrics from on premises or any other cloud, we need to perform one extra steps. That is one term called CloudWatch agent. So what is CloudWatch agent? See, the third party applications like this part is not aware about the CloudWatch. They don't have anything about the CloudWatch. So to make the connection between them, we need something to make the friendship. Like for example, if any of the machine will start sending their metrics to CloudWatch will deny it. It will not allow because that is not known for the CloudWatch, right? And even CloudWatch will go to that particular machine or the infrastructure to pull the metrics. They will deny that no, I don't know you. So to make that connection, we have one term called CloudWatch agent that we need to install in our on-premises or any other cloud infrastructure to make the handshake between them. Simple as that. And it's not about just because of CloudWatch. See, there are many other tools also we have in the market, like a third party tool. They don't belong to any of the cloud or they are not specific with any of the cloud. Like for example, we have a Negios, right? We have a Prometheus. Okay, we have a Datadog. We have New Relic. So there are many more, thousands of the monitoring tools are available in the market, but they are the third party tools. They are designed to monitor any of the infrastructure. Either it could be cloud, either it could be on premises, either it could be hybrid, anything. So how they work? So what they do, we design the server of these monitoring tool somewhere. Like we have one server in which any of the monitoring tool is installed, which will record the logs or metrics. They give one agent We need to install that agent into the machines or the infrastructure or the printer or the hardware or the scanner. Anything can monitor. We just need to install the agent inside that to make the friendliness between the mm, monitoring tool and the infrastructure. That's it. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So let's just focus on this part. How we are going to do that. See, the use case is very simple. Monitor application performance root cause analysis, optimize resource proactively, test website impact. Now, what is the meaning of these four? What they are trying to explain? Like, for example, see, I have a very big infrastructure. See, the use case, what I'm trying to explain is very important and just try to imagine practically. See, right now, what we do, we create one or two machine, we create very, very small practical, but our purpose is not just to create a small infrastructure or to perform a small task, right? We are learning with the help of this small tasks to handle a big infrastructure. So try to imagine big infrastructure. See, we have one very big infrastructure. Under this we have almost all the services. We have a 10 virtual machine, we have a 10 databases, we have a load balancer, we have a auto scaling, we have VPC, we have a CloudWatch, we have a CloudFront, we have a Route 53, we have CloudTrail. Many of the services we have created in this. Okay, so we have around 100 virtual machine. Let's just take the 100 virtual machine example and 50 database, and rest are the things are one or two or three based on the requirement. But just imagine 58th number of virtual machine is not performing well. It is creating some problem. So, and you don't have CloudWatch, you don't have anything related with monitoring. So how you are gonna find that problem? How you will go and find that 58th machine is having a problem, even though you will not even come to know that 58th machine is having a problem, because there is no system, nothing is available with you who will tell you. Until and unless all the 100 machines are down, the system is stopped working completely, and all of a sudden when your website or the application is stopped working, you are not able to access, then only you will come to know, oh my god, there is some problem, my whole infrastructure is not working. Because of one machine, then one machine has created a problem, then other is created, third is created, fourth is created, like that all 100 machines are not working. So with the help of monitoring tool, it's like a slag or the slogan, I will say that without monitoring, running an infrastructure means you are not running an infrastructure at all. Simple as that. For detailed understanding, still I will share one more thing with you. See, monitoring is also a very important part, very important part. And why this is so important? Because this is very useful in the industry, so you should be aware about the monitoring also. See, there are 4 to 5 blogs you will find in this page, right? All about the monitoring. What exactly monitoring means, you will get that, and just to follow the links one after another. See, once you are done with this, you will get other blog links, just go to that with then third one, then fourth one. So each and every links you will get it. Okay, so yeah, let me go and paste that into. Okay, so next part is uh, yeah, this is about the monitoring that will help us to analyze the issue which is going to become in future. Like for example, if that 58th machine is stopped working immediately, if you have configured monitoring tools, they will report that I'm not working, there is some problem, CPU utilization is high or network is not working, disk space is not proper, whatever it is. Then immediately you can go ahead and take the action with the 58th machine. Else you will go and check one by one to the all the machine, and at the 50th transaction you will come to know, okay, this machine is having a problem. So this will help you to save the time.
Sorry, I have a question. Like, do SNS also give us that information?
Sorry.
Do SNS service also
Yes,
give
yes,
us that?
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. SNS is the service which will help us to get this notification on emails. See, there are
Okay, we
two
can
ways.
configure both things together.
We have to, we will see that
We
demo,
have to.
that's why
Okay.
I'm, yes, yes. See, as a
Okay.
best practice and as a best architect, you should have these kind of things also in your infrastructure. See, if I have not configured SNS here, for example, I have
Mhm.
not configured SNS, but still my system is optimized, there is no problem
Oh
because there
yeah,
are
we have to manually go and look into all the things,
on
but
the
SNS
dashboard.
will give. Yeah.
Yes, on the
Okay.
dashboard. Which dashboard? CloudWatch dashboard. We have a
Okay.
CloudWatch dashboard which will help us to understand them with the help of graphs and metrics like that. We go and understand that. But the easiest way and the convenient way will be, instead of every time, sometimes it happens, right, that we have gone for the lunch, or sometimes we are not
Yeah,
available
we
on the
cannot
system.
do it 24 hours. Okay. Yeah.
Right. So SNS will help us to do that. And SNS is not only just for sending an email. We can get a mobile notification. We can have a pager duty. We can have a Slack notification. We can create that in the Teams channel also. So there are multiple ways to get the notification. Right now, as we have a email option to check the demo, so that's why we are checking it. And in the industry, that work is done with the very standard level, the mails also very proper. With the mail subject line itself, you will understand that, okay, this the critical issue, or it could be like a normal notification. So like all those things are done. It's just you should have an idea what is happening backside. That's it. Okay, so let's just see little bit about the CloudWatch. Okay. See, CloudWatch is having four sections. One is alarm, log, metrics, and event. So, what is alarm? What is metric? What is log? What is event? We will see that. See, alarm is just nothing but it's kind of the notification or the intimation. What alarm exactly means in our day-to-day life? That means the same here in the CloudWatch. So nothing much difference. It will help us to get alert. And logs is something like information. Are you aware about the logs? What is the meaning of logs in a normal way in the IT industry? What is the meaning of logs?
No.
No idea. Okay, see, let me tell you the definition which will help you to understand. See, to keep an official written record of something. Now, what is the meaning of this line is, and what is the meaning of logs here is, it's very simple. Log means there are the transaction happening in your infrastructure. Like for example, someone will log in from, someone will log out, someone will change something, someone will edit the script, someone will start the machine, someone will down the machine, anything, any transaction which is happening here, they are recorded. It's like a logs. They generate the record history of the anything. Like for example, I'll show you with the image also. See, this is the kind of a logs. See, this is the log, like that. Not this one, like this. You will get the information about your infrastructure in terms of logs, like information, warning, error, like this kind of record. Have you seen before now? Okay, we will see the log details also. Under metrics is just the graphs or the information which will help us to create a dashboard. So we will do that. Events are nothing but it's kind of like if something happen, just do that. Or I want this time I am having a sale or of some event here. So just when my event is triggered, just create 10 machines, like that we create an event. So we will see that. So let's just first see one normal thing, that is CloudWatch alarm. As of now I'm just only stick to that part. Okay, so just simply go and create one alarm, but for that you need at least one machine. So let's just create a machine, or instead of machine, let me go and show you the same thing in the auto scaling, so it will help you to understand the policy also. Let's just quickly create one launch configuration, and let's just have the machine AMI ID. Why it is not having any of the volume? Let's just create, right? Something is missing. Okay, sorry, that's why. Okay, now we have got it. Now create a launch configuration. Okay, so we have created launch configuration. Let's just quickly create a auto scaling group. So demo ASG launch configuration. Next, under this let's just select all the subnets. Next, no load balancer I don't want. Next, see 2, 2 and 3. Okay, I'm not selecting any policy. Yes, I want SNS every time. So yes, same auto scaling notify. Next, tag I want auto scaled server. Next, review and launch, create auto scaling group. Okay, so let's just go and open the Gmail account. Okay, we have got this test notification. So yeah, just go to the CloudWatch dashboard also. See, we have auto scaling group which is having a 2 machine and minimum maximum as 3. Now what about if the auto scaling machines are not working properly? We want to monitor that. So how we will monitor it? see monitoring, under monitoring also we can go and enable. Yes, see this is how you will get the information regarding your metrics. So right now it is not available because it takes minimum 5 minutes. So under monitoring, see, under monitoring we have one thing, two things we have. See here, if you will see the monitoring tab, virtual machine is having monitoring information, right? So by default monitoring time is 5 minutes, which is free. See, after you enable a detailed monitoring for an instance, monitoring data is available in 1 minute period, but that is chargeable. So free of cost is 5 minutes. So you should wait 5 minutes, then each every 5 minutes they will give and send the logs or the metrics related to the machine. So what kind of logs or metrics you will get? See, you will get the CPU utilization, status check field about the instance or the cloud, that 2 by 2 checks which we perform here, right? Status check field of the systems, network in byte, network out bytes, network packets. So these are some of the criteria with which CloudWatch help to monitor any of the system or any of the machines. If something goes wrong or something is not as per the expectation, CloudWatch will help us to understand that that machine or the infrastructure is not proper. You can create a dashboard directly from here, but we will not see that dashboard part right now. I just wanted to show you how auto scaling can be configured with the CloudWatch. Then CloudWatch separately we will see in detail. Okay, so just simply go to auto scaling. Under this, what I want my machine to be monitored every time. So simply automatic scaling, we have understood that predictive scaling policy and schedule policy. What is the purpose of that? Let's just go and create dynamic policy. Let's just understand how the policies work. So see, under target track is like what is the meaning of target track? We have a certain amount of target here. Like for example, I am targeting if my CPU utilization is 50%, then go and add one more server. I am targeting if my CPU utilization is 30%, then go and decrease one server. So these are my target where my monitoring or the auto scaling will be based on the target. So this is called target tracking. Okay. Step scaling means like we perform or we give the steps. How we give the steps? If CPU utilization is 50%, add one. If in one scenario or in one step we give all the steps, like in if the CPU utilization is 50, add one. If it is 60, add one. If it is 70, add two. If it is 80, add three, for example. Okay. And we can also create an opposite scenario also. If that is start decreasing, like if 60, reduce 1. If it is 70, reduce 2, like that. So this is kind of step by step we are giving information to auto scaling group, that when you have to increase the server and when you have to decrease the server. And under simple scaling, it's very simple, it's straightforward. Whenever you will have this condition, then only go and create or decrease. So we will see this demo. Under simple scaling policy, let me create a demo scaling. Okay, and we need to give a alarm state. So right now we don't have any alarm, so we will just go and create an alarm. So how to create an alarm? It's very simple. Simply go and select the metrics. Once you will go and select the metrics, you will get this options. How you are selecting the metrics? See, alarms and metrics go together. You have to create a metrics to get the alarm. Simple. So just simply go and type auto scaling, or how you will get that. Let's just see whether it is going and searching or not. Okay, you have not got anything. How to get that auto scaling part here? I guess demo auto scaling, you have to go and search it. Yes, see, if you will go and search that matrix, but suppose if you have not searched, then how you will get? See, these are the options are available under EC2. You have a 459s of matrix, under ELB you have this much, so it's very difficult to identify under this. If you will go and click on that, under this auto scaling you have to go and you will get the information. Yes, you are getting the information related with your auto scaling, but it's difficult to identify the exact thing. So just simply go to browse and type the metrics from which you want. Just simply go and select the demo. So related with demo ASG, you will get 14 metrics. So just go and select, and under this we are getting every type of metrics like a CPU, network, byte, everything. So I'm just applying it on CPU utilization right now, because that is little bit familiar to me, though we have understood what is the network means, what is the disk means, but just to check the clear demo we are selecting CPU utilization and the select metrics right now. So once we are done, we are telling yes, we have selected a CPU utilization over auto scaling group. It means whatever servers or is been created by auto scaling, or what is servers is been attached behind auto scaling group, if the average CPU utilization for 1 minute, because of the for demo I am just selecting a 1 minute, or let's just select the 30 minutes, this period of 60 minutes. Okay, okay, sorry, it is not allowed, so I'm just going to select 1 minute. So those machine which is been created just now, if the average CPU utilization for the period of 1 minute goes greater than equal to, or lower than equal to, or the lower of the threshold limit, like for example I'm selecting greater than 60% for demo purpose. Okay, so do one thing, what you have to do, just leave that data point part, leave it, just next. What do, just go and create in alarm and send the notification to this notification that action I don't want to perform. No, remove that, leave everything. Next, simple description or something you want to give. No, I don't want anything. It's like, okay, alarm name I have to give, auto scaling alarm, let's just have it. And we can also have alarm description like that. No, I don't want, leave it. See, this is my alarm, and create alarm. So right now, see, we have created one alarm. So what does that alarm do? It will help us to create like, see, right now it is insufficient data. What is the meaning of insufficient data? For 1 minute, auto scaling group is going and analyzing my CloudWatch is going and analyzing my auto scaling servers, that whether they have some issue or not. So for 1 minute it will be insufficient data. Okay, let's just now quickly go and create some stress over the machines, that machines we have. So how to create a stress? We can manually create the stress. One second, let me tell you how to create the stress. Okay, so let's just quickly go and log in into these machines. Okay, EC2 instance, desktop. Okay, so accept. So see, we have logged in the machine, and also I just wanted to show you this part simultaneously, and this part also. See, right now, see, now it is in an okay state. It means it is saying your CPU utilization is okay for 1 minute. They found that the CPU utilization is less than 60, so they are okay with that. Initially that was insufficient data. It means the CloudWatch is going and taking the information from the auto scaling group. Now, yes, we have right now two instances, desired 2, maximum two. So we want some action to be done on the instance, so that the increment part we will see. So how we will go and see, just simply go and copy that. See, right now with the help of top command, if you go and see, the CPU utilization is 5% for this machine. Let me go and create a duplicate tab for the same machine. Here if you will see, the CPU utilization is 3.7. let me just quickly go and create some stress on this. So how to create, there is a command to create a stress, that is this slash dev slash, sorry, slash dev slash null, okay, ampersand, enter. So let's check. Okay, see, immediately my CPU utilization is go up to 64%. Let me go and create more stress on that. 2 process ID, let's just see, it will go and create more than that. Simultaneously, see, let me go and log in into other machine also, like that. Just copy and parallelly let me log in into other machine and see, EC2 user, accept. Okay, here also if you will see, the CPU utilization is almost 0, right? So just create a duplicate tab and copy the command from here and paste it over here also. Create a stress 2 3 time, like that. So see, the CPU utilization is now 64%. Let me create more stress. Okay, let's just see. Okay, so just go and wait here and refresh it. Let's just see what happened. See, now again it went to insufficient data. It is going and again analyzing my system, because there is some problem is there with my machines. Okay, it is fluctuating. We have to wait for 1 minute. Okay, it is showing okay. How come it is showing okay? Okay, that is not going more than 60, or somehow it is fluctuating. So let's just edit for some time. Edit and let's make it 40 to show you that up to. Okay, now let's see what happened. oops, sorry, I created a CloudWatch alarm, but I forgot to attach that with the policy. That's why it is not creating. The problem is that simple. I need to create that, and because we just only created that alarm, we have not attached it. Sorry. So yes, demo scaling. Okay, I need to select the alarm with this auto scaling, and I want to add action. That is, I want one capacity, one machine, and wait for example 60 seconds and create. So there was the problem. I have created alarm, but I have not attached with the policy. That's why it is not creating the machine or hitting the alarm. See, now it's in alarm because we have not established the connection between them. So now what is happening in alarm state? Let's just see in alarm states, right? If you will go and see the history, it is showing state is updated from OK to in alarm, successfully executing an action to notification. Auto scaling alarm is updated. Now what is happening here is simply go to auto scaling group and just go and refresh that. Okay, so what is happening here, just go and see in the history activity. Right now only 2 is there, and just go and see the email also, what email you have received here. Okay, it is showing. Okay, still it is creating. It will create soon. It will create one more machine and you will get the notification. See, refresh. See, okay, whether we have reduced the CPU utilization? No, it is still up. Okay, see, action what? When in alarm, use the policy add one instance for the auto scaling group. So let's just see whether it is adding or not. It is still not adding because the state is still not in alarm. So yeah, under activity, no. Under auto scaling policy, we have applied breach of this threshold. Because this is required some waiting, so we have to wait. There is no other option. In alarm again. Now wait. What is it is doing? It is sending the information to auto scaling group. Under history, successfully executed the notification. So let's see what happened. Yes, see, one more server is created, and if you go and see the auto scaling group, under this just click on that. See, the desired is now 3, and under activity just go and read this. A monitoring alarm auto scaling alarm is state is in alarm triggered policy. Yeah, this policy is been triggered. So changing the desired capacity from 2 to 3, an instance was starting in response to difference between the desired and actual capacity. Simple as that. So as we have given this policy that whenever the CPU utilization is more than 40%, trigger the alarm, send the notification. See here, I have got the notification that, so the same notification is sending and creating one more instance and create one more instance same way. So they have started scaling it. Understood? Any doubt?
No, but I think I have to watch this lecture again.
Yes, yes, you have to. I will tell you the next project which you need to create, which will help you to understand the complete infrastructure part what we have done till now.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, Ashwati, any idea? Any doubt?
No, I also have to watch the session again.
Yeah, okay. See, what you need to do is now just understand one requirement which I am going to tell you right now. What you have to do, you need to create one is infrastructure, very basic infrastructure, okay? You need to create one EC2 machine which will help you to understand till whatever services we have covered, okay? One EC2, create that, and under this EC2 go and create one web page with the help of IIS or Apache, any of the as per your choice. Create the AMI, okay? Once you are done with creating a AMI, create a target group and the ELB, okay? With this you just only create target group, will not have any instance till now. You are just only creating a structure, target group of this AMI, like that, or like you are only creating not AMI, just leave that part. One second, this is the AMI, okay? And you don't have any instance in the target group. Now go and create one SNS topic, okay? After that just go and create a launch configuration for auto scaling. Under launch configuration use this AMI, then create auto scaling group. Under this auto scaling group attach this load balancer also, and the requirement is 2 2 and 3, okay? Minimum, desired and maximum. So you need to create that. Along with that you need to create one cloud watch for the CPU utilization at least more than 50%. The alarm has to trigger and the notifications to be sent using this SNS. Go and create a scaling policy, okay? Normal simple scaling policy, and attach this CloudWatch here. Then generate the CPU stress. Once you generate the stress, so what things will be happen? What, yeah, one more thing, if you have attached it auto scaling here, so initially you will have two machines, right? So that two machine has to be attached behind load balancer automatically, one point. And the second point is whatever machines are going to increase, like for example the third machine will be going to increase with the help of, because of this alarm, the third also has to go and attach behind the load balancer. So it will automatically attach if you will you have configured this part properly, this one. So you should get the response, you should get alarm triggered, and you should be able to generate a third machine, and that third machine has to be go behind the load balancer. So this will cover the whole services.
Um,
Any doubt in here? Yeah.
so I have a doubt. Like, so we are creating the cloud watch, right? But in the load balancer also, if let's say if my machine is having some load, we can create a auto scaling
Yes.
policy, and the load balancer will do the same thing, right? I mean to say, like, if load balancer is having a lot of load, it will also tell the auto scaling to create more instances to manage the loads. Am I
Uh,
correct? Or-
yes, you are correct, but that not work in a way that you are imagining. It is like a reverse psychology. Automatically, or
Okay,
because
so
we are, yes,
load balancer will only do the like distribute the traffic between the instances, but it will not tell the auto scaling to create more instances.
that
That's what you're
part
saying.
also been done practically, no problem. In that case you have to apply a alarm and the condition over the load balancer here. You need to create the load balancer and attach the CloudWatch here. You can attach monitoring thing with the load balancer and automatically it will move here, but right now what we are performing, we are going towards reverse side. We are telling auto scaling to perform the CloudWatch. If you want that part, you can try it with the load balancer also. That you need to go and do some research on this screen because I have never done that. Just try it. If something goes wrong or if you are facing any issue, I will also see, because that will be the new
Yeah,
learning for you.
I am just doing like doing my theoretical knowledge. I have no practical knowledge. I'm
Yes,
just
yes,
uh,
you can do it. See, whatever theoretically is coming in your mind, it's very good to try it practically also. So don't limit yourself. If you are coming with a problem statement, just go and try it. Because yes, that could also be possible. We can send information from load balancer to auto scaling that I am facing the load, I need more server. That's
mhm.
like a kind of a problem statement, normal problem statement which we can imagine theoretically. So we need to perform that practically, so just do it, try it
But for
by
that
yourself.
also we have to create the cloud watch, or there is
Yes,
some
yes,
policy under the load balancer.
no, that's a cloud watch that you need to configure with load balancer. See,
Okay.
the policy part is only specific to auto scaling group. Definitely, there will be something else in load balancer, not exactly like a policy, but there has to be something.
Okay.
So, just go and explore. If you didn't find, I will also check that at my end and I'll update you that, because I never tried that.
Okay. Yeah, I have to first understand about the cloud watch, then I will go to the load balancer.
Yes. Yes, so till now we have only seen the one part, that is a CloudWatch alarm. There are many more things are there. Like for example, we have a metrics. I can design my own dashboard also. How to design that? We can create a graph also. That's what I was about to tell you next is demo ASG. What is my ASG name? Yeah, this one. Let me go and design some graph or something. Add to dashboard, demo, demo dashboard. See, I can have a different type of dashboard like stacked number. Let's just take the stack so it will look good. Okay, and these are having three metrics which I am analyzing. So add to dashboard. Dashboard name is required. Array. Okay, yeah, okay, okay, add to dashboard. So see, we have got this dashboard, right? You can move from anywhere to like this. Let's just create one more. How can save? Okay, I can add also. Add. I want to add a lines matrix, and as we have this, or let's just go and take the auto scaling like instance part. So no, not here. Auto scaling groups. No, I want to perform that on the instance level. For example, I want to see the metrics at instance levels. What is the instance name is auto scaling server. simply go here and search. Okay, under EC2 let's search, under all remove that and search it. Okay, we are not getting it right now because that are from auto scaled machines. Copy that once again and paste it. So yes, go inside this, and now I want, for example, disk read space, create a wages, and that will be in line form. Now I want to create one more, let's say in a pie form. See this, and let's just copy again, and let me go and the status disk ops right option. Let's see. Okay, it is blank because no operation has been done, so let me edit that. Action edit. I don't want that, I want any of the other thing, like for example I want CPU credit this. See, yes, this three things I want, and update the wages. See, like this. So understood how what I am doing, how we are designing that. Save it. So this is kind of a dashboard which will give you the clear picture. If you go and Google some of the monitoring dashboard, monitoring dashboard, and if you will go and image, see, this is how the dashboards look like. See, the kind of graphs, information, floating informations. How to create that? This is what we have created with the help of CloudWatch matrix part here. See, this is the dashboard thing. Understood? Or any doubt here? Yeah, he see here also you can take every 1 hour of information, more granular information. You can customize every 1 minute or every 5 minute information. It will be more granular. So though there is no data right now, so you can go and every 15 minutes also, and see absolute value from 1 month to this month information you can take. You can take see day, week, month basis. You can go and refresh every 5 minutes or every 15 minutes. It will start refreshing like this. Automatically it will refresh the data every 1 minute, so you will be able to see that graphs. Under action you can rename or all those things, and you inside this also see right now this is the line 1. I am not liking this line 1. I can go and change it with the instead of line I can go and change it with the number, for example, like that. So it's 0 right now, gauge. Or we can go and pi. We can create a bar because there is no data, that's why it is not showing me any data right now. So I can go and 3 hours of bar data, but it's not there, there is no data, that's why it is blank. But here we have a data, so we can do any kind of modification. We can rename it. That could be like 3 metrics, 3 data, any name we can pass. Here again we have a lot of information, so it will show this color. Blue color means a CPU utilization, network in. If you will go here, you will get all the information like that. So understood? Any doubt here in the form of matrix and alarm? The more you create, the more you will understand. So it will take some time to understand all this stuff, all the graphs, but in a very broader picture, are you able to understand?
Yes.
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 Okay. So tomorrow we will see some part in logs and events, and then we are done with the CloudWatch also. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.